Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Boomba Racing short throw shifter and the shifter-based bushings for the GR Corolla. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by removing the screw below the steering wheel. Unclip the front trim piece and disconnect the wire harness. Remove stock shift knob and set parts to the side. Disconnect the wire harnesses and remove shifter surround trim. Remove shifter trim and disconnect wire harnesses. Disconnect wire harnesses and clips. Remove spring clip and set to the side. Disconnect shifter linkage. Unclip shifter linkages. Disconnect second shifter linkage. Unbolt shifter assembly. Remove shifter assembly. Cut factory crush washer or pry with a flat head to remove. Remove the side shift arm bolt. Remove the side shift arm, accompanying parts, and shift lever. Remove the pivot bushing on the stock shift lever. Grease the pivot ball and install pivot ball bushing. Remove the reverse lockout piece. Grease the shifter ball and install into the shifter assembly. Reinstall shifter assembly parts. Secure the side shift arm with bolt. Install the provided crush washer. Install reverse lockout. Prepare Boomba Racing shifter bushings. Remove stock shifter bushings. Install Boomba Racing shifter bushings. Reinstall the shifter assembly. Reinstall shifter linkages. Reinstall spring clip. Secure the shifter assembly base. Reinstall wire harness clips. Remove stock reverse lockout. Reinstall shifter trim. Reinstall dash trim. Reinstall spring and shift knob. Reinstall the screw under the steering wheel. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.